guys, so today I am going to do a DIY of how you can make lanterns out of window shutters. So guys, I'm going to take off some of the hardware to these shutters, and also these shutters came from the rehab store, and I did get all 8 for $3. So make sure all of your shutters are the same size. And what I'm going to do is do 2 in, 2 out. So the first one I am doing is 1 that's in. To make it easier, I am using a drill bit to go ahead and pre-drill my holes to make it much easier for myself. Now you're going to do this on all 4 corners, top and bottom. So guys, I'm going to speed this up. After doing this DIY, one thing I definitely know that I'm going to do, and that's go to Lowe's and get me another drill so I can have 2, and I don't have to go back and forth changing my bit to my pre-drill bit. So I know that is a definite because this girl loves power tools. Also, this is my first time doing this. I had a vision, and usually when I have a vision, I try to execute my vision, and my vision came out perfect, so keep watching. Okay, you will see I took a double take and look, and I was like, oh my gosh, no, I don't have to drill them back open because I end up doing an overlay of going all the way around instead of two in, two out. So I'm getting ready to correct myself. If you look all the way in the corner, you can see where it is off balance. So that is the reason why you definitely want to make sure you do two in, two out. After I correct myself, here are my two beauties and a very nasty floor. Because I'm putting in a solo panel to my lights to come on and off automatically, I am going to use this board to drill, and you will see what I do. Next, I'm going to pre-drill my hole from the lantern to the support. I could not find my other bits So I had to do it a little bit different, but still the outcome was perfect. So keep watching. Well, I had to think real fast of how I was going to get those to drop in. Me not thinking, just undo two sides, drop it in, put the panel in, and let it be. So watch what I'm getting ready to do. So guys, this is what my lanterns look like at night. And they're blinking on the bottom. And I can, of course, here open and close it. So that's the benefit of doing it with these. And it's a wooden plastic type material, so therefore it will last a long time with it being outside. So guys, you will see where I put this in my yard, and just stay tuned for my next video of my backyard reveal.